Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the United Airlines logo. We will start by understanding its fundamental components, like the bold word mark and the distinctive globe emblem. Drawing an airline logo might seem challenging, but by breaking it down into simple steps, you will find it much easier. We will focus on clear shapes and proportions to ensure your drawing is accurate and recognizable. Let's begin with the United word mark. First, lightly sketch two horizontal lines to define the top and bottom of your letters. The font is a strong, sans serif style, so aim for clear, block-like shapes. Pay close attention to the spacing between each letter, ensuring it appears balanced. Maintain a consistent thickness for all the letter strokes to achieve a polished finish. Next, we will tackle the distinctive globe emblem. Start by drawing a precise circle. This will be the foundation of your globe. Inside this circle, carefully add the segmented lines that represent the continents, ensuring they curve naturally. The globe is typically a vibrant blue, with the segmented lines remaining white, creating a striking contrast. Aim for smooth, flowing lines to capture its dynamic feel. Now it is time to add color and refine your drawing. Use a consistent shade of blue for the globe and ensure the United word mark is clearly defined, often in a darker blue or black. Carefully go over all your pencil lines with a fine-tipped pen or marker to make them crisp and clean. Finally, step back and review your work, making any small adjustments to proportions or details for a perfect representation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.